Hello, today in front of me I have POCO X4 GT smartphone, and in this video we are going to share the top 3 applications for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that you would like to show is called Wtmp, that stands for Who Touched My Phone. This app allows you to imperceptibly take pictures each time there is an attempt to unlock your device, whether this attempt is successful or not. So let's go ahead and set this up real quick, app up real quick. So here, tap on the power button, OK, give the camera access, grant the camera access. The battery usage step can be skipped because it's optional, but we have to give it the permit usage access nonetheless. So here we'll confirm that we are aware of all possible risks and wait for the OK button to become active. Alrighty, now we can get back to the app itself, and as you can see by the fact that this power button turned green and these two lines appeared, that means that the app is active. So now let me demonstrate how it works. So let's say I'm somebody who is trying to unlock the phone. I do not succeed. Unlock it once again. Or let's simulate the successful unlock attempt as well. And once we open the Wtmp app, we'll see that the two entries has been created. One of them containing the picture taken once the screen unlock attempt failed, and the other one containing the picture from the case once we actually unlock the phone. Just like so, you can monitor and be sure that whether somebody touched their phone or not. As you could already guess from the full name of this app. The next application is called Unseen. So this app allows you to link almost every popular and well-known messenger to it and get all the messages from those chat apps to be forwarded to Unseen. Therefore, you will be able to read those messages from the Unseen app directly without putting those messages into the red status at the original apps. So let's say your friend sent you some message, you can read it in Unseen, and your friend sent this message to you in Instagram, for example, and the Instagram will not show the fact that those message is read. So let's go ahead and launch this app. Click on next. There is some introduction for us, so we'll know for sure how this app works and how it should be used. Here we have the opportunity to choose what app will be particularly linked to the Unseen. So there is the core of 3 apps, which are Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram, that you cannot edit. They will be linked in all scenarios, and you can additionally add some or even all of the apps from this list that is not checked. We'll go next, give it device and app notifications access permission, turn this toggle on, point out that we are aware of every possible risk, and wait for this OK button to become active finally. Alrighty, and now as we get back to the app, we'll see that there are quite a few tabs that we can switch between. So this one, which states all, will contain the messages from all across the linked messengers, or should I say chat apps. And there will be a separate section, the separate tab for each individual application that you have linked to the Unseen. And here you'll receive all the forwarded messages. There is nothing more really to this app. Nothing much more at least. So you can edit what list of apps is linked, manage notifications, and that is pretty much it. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move on to the third and last app for this video, that is called Photomath. This particular application allows you to take a picture of any math problem and get it automatically solved almost instantly. So let's go ahead and launch it. State that we are 30 years old, we are a student. Skip the ad, grant the camera permission to it. Skip the ad once again. And here all that we need to do is to place the math problem in question inside this rectangular frame. So I here have this simple quadratic equation written on the piece of paper. So let me just scan it real quick. So I align it with this rectangular frame just like so, and as you can see, this quadratic equation gets solved, well, almost instantly. Not only it gets solved, but it also shows very detailed solving steps as well as the explanation to them. So here you can very clearly see how exactly the app solved this equation. And as you can see, as I've already mentioned, there is also the explanation to each particular step. So if you are somebody who deals with math problems quite oftenly, this app would be very useful. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.